My name is J. Selvaraj. My company name is MME Porval. I am living in Bangalore. I try to give few information about Porval water plant in English. Out of Bangalore person, let them call morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. For Bangalore customer, they can call anytime. There is no problem. But my convenient time is 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. My normal timing is 6:15 to 6:30. I am doing online point. 7 to 9 o'clock I'll do one site inspection method. 9 to 10 I will receive calls. I will attend phone calls. When I am doing water point, first I'll collect the money. This is local charges. Local site 5,000 rupees I charged. They also paid. If you want the number, I'll give you. Okay, first what I will do, I will collect the money with the coconut. Then I will put the lemon full border of the site. Then I will try to locate point through the map dowsing. After getting map dowsing, where the point is showing that particular place, I'll try to go with the coconut seriously. Remaining place I will go normally. Okay. I'll check up general everywhere. I'll give special what you call special inspection. I will take that map dowsing method point. What I'm doing, this is called map dowsing. Whether we can put the borewell, how many inches water is coming, where the place water is coming, everything I'll take out. Then I will start with the coconut. Just I'll pray with the God. The main thing is I will give my mobile. In that mobile, how I feel like that, they have to get the video for me. Then I am also try to give the best point for them. If there is no water, I will tell you. See, this place and all not came to map dowsing. Even though I'm studying right round. Map dowsing came to this corner place only. So there I'm doing seriously. If a site inspection comes, we can give 90% guarantee. If it is local, I will do on nominal rate drilling with divining. This I have done by point, but I given the nominal quotation to the customer. If they give the chance, I can ready to do the drilling. See, this is machine called geolocator. What are you seeing the video? Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes only. But on the spot, it may take more than 1 hour, even 2 hour also. Sometime you may get half an hour also. But the video minimize, short video only you are seeing it. When you seeing the site, it will be different. So many things I'm not putting in the YouTube. I will put 50%
1008 feet ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು 552 minimum 552 1008 2.6
remaining
water
I won't show the YouTube also. If you want the water, please contact with me. I can ready to give the point. If you believe to come to my Bangalore office, from there I can try to give map dowsing method. If you already got the point, that you can do straight line online water point. You can stay with your house. I am staying in my office. From there we can find out the
1008
point. This is called second opinion. If your side is diviner is there, we can able to do the fresh point also through an online system itself.
90 to 100.
See
90 to 100 feet
what
casing.
I am doing now. is pendulum. What shown the depth? The scientific instrument. Now I'm checking with the traditional. This instrument I'm using more than 25 years. Actually it's broken even though I'm using it. It's showing correct result. If there is no water, it won't get rotate. Even machine also tell you no water, don't
590
do the
first cap.
Okay, we can scan with 1000 feet, we can scan with 1500, we can scan with 1500, 2000, even till 3000 also you can scan. But water level also it will increase. If it is less, it will show you
860 second gap.
everything we can tell you. So who are interested, what I feel means, this is my WhatsApp number. I am given the number 9035278897. You just send me the message in English what you need.
990 third gap.
If I give the reply within a day, whether I can able to do the work or not. Whatever the work I need, small short video. In borewell, any work we can try to solve the problem.
ಅದೇ ಡೆಪ್ತ್
In Bangalore
2.6 ಇಂಚ್ ವಾಟರ್ 1395 ಹೋಗೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಸರಿ. ಸೊ 1200 ಇಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
Try to my channel. Try to do subscribe my channel. Just see 1 hour. See, we find out the point. Again doing the second. The marking is very important. Normally, whoever do only 1 rod, they'll put. What I'm trying to say means put 2 rods.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನೀರಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, 1 rod should be inside, 1 rod should be outside. When the digging time, the borel drill person, if you given 2 rods, the point is correct. If you given 1 rod, the point is wrong. This is called L rod. You do L rod, you do coconut, you do geolocator, you do whatever. The party Hanebara should tally somehow. Then only you can get the water. Okay. Doing water points is somehow important, is a part of thing. The other part will be you have to see as per numerology the good date, okay, then the good time. Vehicle also should be good vehicle. With the happy mood you have to do the job, you'll get. See, I am doing map dowsing, traditional, then the scientific instrument, then like this. Finally I'll try to give the stick. Who's giving the stick, that person is only doing the video, so I cannot able to show to you. This is gold chain.
670
There is
first gap.
106 item is there, but 106 item I won't use in single point. Wherever I'll get the doubt, I try to use more item. Wherever I'll get no doubt, I won't use
second
more
gap.
instrument. I can finish with the pendulum itself. I won't use the scientific instrument also sometime. I have to get happy, then I can intimate you the
1080.
point is good.
Third
Otherwise
gap.
no. Please try to call me. Send me messages in my WhatsApp number, please.
ಶ್ರೀನಾರಸಿಂಹ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ನೃಸಿಂಹ ವರಾಹ ನರಹರಿ ಜ್ವಾಲಾ ನರಹರಿ ಆಪದ್ಬಾಂಧವ ಅನಾಥ ರಕ್ಷಕ